let's talk about how do we prove alimony. I'm Steve Kramer of the Kramer Law Firm. I am a Florida family law and divorce attorney. Alimony is an issue that's going to come up in divorces where the marriage has lasted for a significant amount of time. And there are a variety of factors in play to determine whether there's going to be alimony or not. The first thing that we want to look at is the standard of living during the marriage. What did you and your spouse become accustomed to? Because generally alimony is designed to maintain that standard of living. The next thing that the court's going to look at is the duration of the marriage. If you're married for less than 7 years, alimony is not going to happen. If you're married for more than 15, alimony is going to be a factor in your divorce. The next factor is going to be the age and emotional condition of each parties. Now, what that means is, if you're elderly, if you've been married for 30 years and your wife has always been a housewife and she's in her 60s now, the odds of her being able to be retrained and employable and to earn a sustainable living that's going to take care of her and keep her standard of living, don't forget that, those are going to be slim, and alimony is going to be an issue there. Next, we're also going to look at the financial resources and the sources of income, right? So if your spouse has a family trust that generates income for them, or if your spouse is a physician and makes a $500,000 a year, well, that's going to cut against their claim for alimony. So the financial resources of each party is going to be a factor. Next is going to be the amount of time to get education and training. So if you're in a position where you might be able to be retrained, well, we might be looking at rehabilitative alimony. Alimony designed to get you back on track so you can go to school, get new training, and be able to earn an income again. And then finally, each party's contribution to the marriage is going to be a factor. Meaning, did your wife watch the kids or work while you were going to school and support you through school? Now she's been a housewife for the past 10 years and now you're a lawyer and you've got a substantial income and she doesn't earn any money anymore. If that's the case, then alimony may be an issue. Why am I telling you this? Because if you're dealing with an alimony issue, this is important information to have, and we've only touched on the surface of it. I'd be glad to go over your case in detail with you. You can call me at the number below and I'd be glad to talk with you. Listen, also, if you're watching Facebook or YouTube where you see this video, go ahead and click the like button below. That way you can share this information with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. I'm Steve Kramer of the Kramer Law Firm.